Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off or turn on keyboard sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. I go to typing interface and this is keyboard, Samsung keyboard. If you type something like here, there will be a small sound while typing. If you want to turn off it, you can do it. Just go to the settings, click on sounds and vibration, and here select system sound and vibration control, and here turn off this button, Samsung keyboard. So you will not have any sound while typing in the keyboard. I check it. That little sound is now removed. If you want to have this sound, you have to turn on that button under this sound. Click on sounds and vibration, click on system sound and vibration control, and you have to turn on this button under sound. Turn on this button, Samsung keyboard, and that sound will now appear. Small sound, it's like small sound. In this way you can easily turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound in your phone M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.